Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? All right. All right. Yesterday we discussed agile methodology. In this agile methodology, we discussed Scrum events. Under Scrum events, there are different types is there. The first one is the sprint or daily Scrum meeting. The second one is the sprint planning meeting. The third one is the sprint review meeting. Fourth one is the retrospective meeting. After that, we discuss types of testing. There are different types types is there. The first one is the build acceptance testing, retesting, regression testing, static, dynamic, smoke, sanitary usability and compatibility, and alpha testing, beta testing, gorilla testing, monkey testing, installation testing, desktop testing, exhaustive testing, iteration testing, and exploratory testing, spike and load and stress testing, end-to-end testing, ad hoc testing, privilege testing, and firewall testing. These are all types of testing. Total we have a 24 types is there. Total we have 24 types is there. Under types of testing, the first one, build acceptance testing. What is the build acceptance testing? What is the build acceptance testing? Once we got the build from the developer, as a tester, we need to do some basic testing. Once complete the basic testing, you can start the testing. Okay? Yeah. Build acceptance testing is nothing but basic testing. Once we got the build, we need to do basic testing. The first one, the application URL is working or not. The second one, once we launch the application URL, the application homepage, it should be displayed or not. The third one, and major and minor elements is displaying or not in this application. Fourth one, all database connections is properly working or not. Fifth one, once you guys are launching the application, after some time, without any effort, the application, it will be closed automatically. The application was crashed. Once launch the application, you guys are able to verify the application is crashed or not. This is we call basic testing. When we are able to do this type of testing, once we got the build from the developer, we are able to do the basic testing. Is it clear or not? Yeah. The next one, shall I repeat? Build acceptance testing. Shall I repeat? Okay. Build acceptance. Build acceptance. Who will able to accept the build? Once the developer develop the application, the developer sending the application to testing department for testing purpose. The tester, as a tester, once I got the build, immediately I am unable to start the testing. First of all, I need to do some basic testing in this application. The first one, the URL is properly working or not. The second one, once I launch the application homepage, the application homepage, it should be displayed or not. And after that, in this application homepage, and major and minor modules or elements is properly displayed or not. The next one, if I want to click on any element, the database connections is properly working or not. Come in. The next one, I need to validate the application is crash or not. The application is crash or not. This is we call build acceptance testing. This is we call build acceptance testing. Is it clear now? Online guys, is it clear? Any doubt? Yeah. The next one, re-testing. What is the meaning of the re? Again, when you guys are able to do see. Just a minute. Minimize the screen. Yeah. See guys, I already maximize the screen guys, online guys. Okay. Yeah. See guys, this is our application. Just imagine. This is our application. Now I want to do the testing. Okay. See, now I want to do on 3 elements. One is mobile, best seller, cell. Is it clear or not? Now I want to do the testing. Okay. Today my work, I want to verify and validate only on 3 elements. The first one is the cell, best seller, mobile. Is it clear or not? Okay. Now I need to click on the cell. It is working. Now I need to click on the best seller. Yes, it is working. Everything is fine as per our expected. Now I need to click on the mobile, but the customer expected once I click on this one, the mobile is working. That is our expected. See, I want to do double click. It is not working first attempt. Second attempt, it is working. I will verify one more time. I want to click on single click. It is not working. That is our expected. Once you click on single click, it should be displayed our information, mobile related information. So here, once I click on single click, it should not displaying mobile related information. When I do the double click also, it should not displaying our expected information. Second time, I refresh the page. I click on one click on mobile, it is not working. And second time I want to do the double click, it is working. Okay. What is our expected result? When I click on the, see what is the purpose? Verify Amazon application homepage. The mobile element is properly working or not. This is our action. Okay. What is the description? Enter the valid URL, click on enter button. That's it. Okay. And third step is click on mobile. Third step is click on mobile. Okay. Only 3 steps. What is the expected result? System able to displaying mobile information. System able to displaying mobile information. Under description, you guys are mentioned third step, click on mobile. Not to double click. Click on mobile. Okay. When I click on the mobile, it is not working. It is not working. What is our expected result? What is our expected result? When I click on the single click, I am able to get the mobile related information. That is our expected result. Now the mobile is not working. Now as a tester, what I need to do? Mobile is not working. The expected result, actual result, both are different. What I need to do? Yes, we need to log the defect to the developer. We need to log the defect to the developer. Okay. The expected result, actual result, both are different. Immediately you guys are log the defect to the developer. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Just I need to log the defect to the developer. Okay. The developer, he did not accept blindly. He will verify. Anil found one defect, that is really defect or not. Is it clear or not? What I am getting in earlier, the developer also got same issue. Mobile is not working first attempt, first click. The developer accept your defect. He will fix and rectify the issue. Again, he will send the new build to the testing department. In this time, what we need to do? Yeah, again means you need to do the element is properly working or not. You need to do retesting. Means again. First you did. Okay. And second time again, once the defect is fixed, the issue is resolved, again the same, mobile is working or not. Mobile is working or not. That is we call retesting. Is it clear or not? Real time same we are able to use retesting. Real time same how to do the retesting. I got a application. In this application I want to do, I will repeat one more time guys. You guys are observe carefully. Okay, I will explain real time scenario also. In real time also same we are able to do as it is. Okay, yeah. This is our application. Our expected description, test data, enter valid URL, click on enter button, click on mobile. That is our expected. Okay, that is our description. What is expected? System able to displaying mobile information. System able to displaying mobile information. This is the test case. Actual, we don't know. Now I will start the testing. I click on one click here. I want to click on one click here, but mobile is not working. And I will do one more time, refresh the page. Okay, refresh the page and try to click on mobile. The mobile is not working. Okay, this is we call defect. How you guys are able to call this is defect? The expected is different, actual is different, both are different. The test case is, wait, this is called a defect. The defect is nothing but the difference between the expected result and actual result. Then immediately we need to inform to the developer, particular developer who was developed this mobile. You need to inform to particular developer. Okay, yeah, I am a developer, you are a tester. I am a developer, you are a tester. I got the mail from tester. I will open the defect. Okay, I need to follow the description, and same description I need to apply in my same application. But here the tester, what they are getting, I am also getting same issue. Mobile is not working first attempt. Immediately I will fix the defect and rectify the defect. And once I rectify the new build, new means the mobile is fixed. After that we are able to share new build. The new application I need to share to the testing department. Okay, first attempt they got a defect. Is it clear? Second means we got fixed from the developer. In this time we need to do again same element, again same element, again this element is working or not. That is we call again retesting. Is it clear or not? Any doubt online and offline? Shall I explain one more time? All right. The next one, regression testing. The next one, regression testing. Retesting, regression testing, both are same. Retesting, regression testing, both are same, but little bit difference. Only little bit difference. What is the difference? Same like retesting. I got the defect. I need to inform to the developer. The developer rectify that is really defect or not. That is really defect. The developer fix the issue and again sending to the testing department. As a tester, I need to do the defect is properly working or not. I need to do again the same issue is properly working or not. Up to now, both are same. Okay. Same regression also you need to verify the defect is really fixed or not. You need to verify. At the same time, don't forget, please remember, at the same time, as a tester, if you want to do the regression testing, if you want to do the regression testing like a same retesting. Okay. And if you want to do the regression testing, this element is properly working or not, we need to verify. Okay. This element is working fine. This is we call a retesting. Okay. At the same time, you need to validate existing functionality also. At the same time, you need to validate existing functionality also. That is we call regression testing. This is working fine. Before I got a defect, now it is working. And after that, if you want to do the regression testing, in this time, I need to validate this is working or not, this is working or not, this is working or not, this is working or not. Why? Because, do you have any idea? Why? Because whenever the developer fix the issue, the time any existing functionality disturbed or not, affected or not, you need to verify. That is we call regression testing. It is common question in manual testing. Every time we need to do same these two types testings. Any domain. Retesting, regression testing. Retesting, regression testing. It is common. Once I got the defect, I need to inform to the developer. The developer fix the issue. Again, they will send the build to testing department. In this time, as a tester, the element is properly working or not, I need to verify. This is look like retesting. And regression testing little bit different. Once the element is properly working, at the same time, as a tester, we need to validate existing functionality also. Why? Because whenever the developer fix the issue, the time the existing elements are affected or not, or disturbed or not, we need to validate. That is we call regression testing. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat? Yeah. This is the mobile button, guys. Listen carefully. This is the mobile. I want to click on the mobile. It is not working. I need to inform to the developer, okay, through Jira, through bug life cycle, okay, particular tool. I need to log the defect to this element. The developer, he will verify that is really defect or not. That is really defect or not. That is really defect. The developer fix the issue. Again, sending to the testing department, new build. In this time, as a tester, I need to validate. In this time, as a tester, I need to validate the element is properly working or not. Is it clear or not? At the same time, this element is working or not, 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 we need to validate. At the same time, we need to validate existing functionality is properly working or not. Why? Because whenever the developer fix the issue, the time any existing functionality affected or not, or disturbed or not, we need to validate. That is we call regression testing. Clearer? Clearer? The next one, static testing. The next one, static testing. Static is nothing but without human effort. Before doing the testing, the test environment or prerequisite should be ready or not. We need to validate. I will repeat again. Static testing is nothing but before doing the testing, the static testing is nothing but before doing the testing, the testing related all prerequisites should be ready or not. We need to validate. We need to validate. This is we call static testing. Static testing is nothing but without human effort. Static testing is nothing but, listen carefully, before doing the, static is nothing but without human effort. See, if you want to validate this environment without human effort, you need to validate through your eye contact. Am I correct? Test case document should be ready or not. Okay. Requirement document should be ready or not. Template should be ready or not. Everything is ready. You can start the testing. That is we call a effort. Okay. Before testing, I need to validate all the documents through my eye contact. Through my eye contact. That is we call static. Static is nothing but a, before doing the testing, listen, static is nothing but before doing the testing related all prerequisites should be ready or not. The testing related all prerequisites should be ready or not. We need to validate without human effort. Without human effort. I will repeat one more time. You guys are listen carefully. The static testing is nothing but before doing the testing related all prerequisites should be ready or not. We need to validate without human effort. That is we call static testing. Clear, everybody? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat? Yeah. Static, just you guys store in your mind. Static is without human effort. Dynamic is with human effort. Please store in your mind. Static is without human effort. Dynamic is with human effort. Okay. First of all, static. Without human effort, what I need to do? Without human effort. If I want to do the testing without human effort, what I need to do? Okay. Yeah. Static, I will explain, listen carefully. Static testing is nothing but before doing the testing. Before doing the testing means with human effort. Before doing the testing. Okay. Without human effort. Before doing the testing related all prerequisites or environment should be ready or not. I need to validate without human effort. That is we call static testing. Clear? Shall I repeat? Yeah. Example, test case document should be ready or not. Requirement document, test case template, test planning, scenario document. These are all example without human effort. Okay. Everything is ready. You can do the dynamic. Dynamic is nothing but everything should be ready for testing purpose. Everything should be ready for testing purpose. You can start the testing with human effort. The dynamic is nothing but everything should be ready for testing. Everything means prerequisites. Very good. The dynamic is nothing but everything should be ready for testing purpose. You can start the testing with the human effort. Example, functional is working or not. Non-functional is properly working or not. Functional we are able to do. Non-functional someone will do. Functional we are able to do. Non-functional someone will do. Okay. Who will do? I will explain. I will repeat one more time. You guys are listen carefully. Static is nothing but a without human effort. Before doing the testing, for testing purpose, all prerequisites should be ready or not. We need to validate without human effort. Dynamic is nothing but for testing purpose. All prerequisites should be ready. You can start the testing with the human effort. Is it clear or not? Dynamic is nothing but if you want to do the testing for testing purpose, listen carefully guys. If you want to if you want to write this one, you guys are able to write. Dynamic testing is nothing but if you want to do the testing for testing purpose, if you want to do the testing for testing purpose, all prerequisites is ready, then you can start the testing with human effort. You can start the testing with human effort. That is we call dynamic testing. That is we call dynamic testing. Any doubt? Any doubt guys? What is the static and the dynamic? Yeah. Static is nothing but without human effort. Before doing the testing, all prerequisites should be ready or not. Okay. And we need to validate. Okay, very good. And dynamic? Dynamic is nothing but you before, yeah, all prerequisites should be ready. All prerequisite is ready, then you can start the testing with the human. Is it clear or not? Okay. Example, functional is working or not, non-functional is working or not. Is it clear or not? Okay, done. The next one, smoke. The next one, smoke. This is also common question like a re and regression. What is the difference between the smoke and sanitary? Smoke and sanitary. Okay. This is common question like a re and regression. Smoke, first of all, we are going to discuss about smoke. Listen carefully. Okay. Types of testing, it is very, very, very important. Types of testing. You don't skip anything, any type of testing. Everything is important. We don't know what type of testing they will ask in interview time. Okay. If they will ask any type of testing, you guys are be ready to explain to them. Okay, clear? Yeah. Smoke. The smoke testing, first step. The smoke is nothing but build health checkup. The smoke is nothing but build health checkup. Second point, this is done by dev side and testing side. This is done by dev side and testing side, both. Third point, this is not a deep testing. This is not a deep testing. Fourth point, we are able to validate only main functionality. we are able to validate only main functionality. The next one. What is the application? What is the application before stability? Before stability, I will explain. What is the application before stability? The next one. The application is stable or not. The application is stable or not. This is we call smoke testing. It is very, very, very important. Smoke. Okay. Smoke. I will repeat again. The first point, the smoke testing is nothing but build health checkup. The second point, the smoke testing is done by dev side and testing side. Clear? Both are able to do smoke. Clear? Third step. This is not a deep testing. Clear? This is not a deep testing. And fourth point. What is the application stability before? What is the application stability before? Fifth point, if you want to do the smoke testing, we are able to validate main functionality. Steps one by one, okay? నేను notes చూపట్లేదు కదా. Okay. The next point, what is the application stable? The application is stable or not. The application is stable or not. Okay. Points, any points you guys are added, but order is not important. Every point is included or not. Okay. That is important. Every point is included or not. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Anybody, any doubt? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat? Yeah. Very good. The smoke is nothing but build health checkup. Build health checkup only. Okay. The second point, the smoke is done by dev and testing both. The third point, listen carefully. The third point, this is not a deep testing. Okay. Fourth point, if you want to do the smoke, only we need to validate main functionality. Fifth point, what is the application before stability? Before stability. Next point, the application is stable or not. Is it clear or not? Anything is there? Any point is missing? Everything I covered. Done. This is we call smoke testing. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Yeah. The next one, sanitary testing. The next one, sanitary testing. The next one, sanitary testing. Listen. The smoke is done by dev side and testing side. Am I correct? Yeah. The sanitary is done by only testing side. The sanitary is done by only testing side. Is it clear? Second point. The smoke not a deep testing. Is it clear? Coming to the sanitary is a deep testing. Coming to sanitary is a deep testing. What is the deep testing? Deep testing, nothing but narrow up the regression testing. Regression also deep. You need to validate this is working or not, this is working or not, this is working or. Some people they call sanitary is nothing but a narrow of the regression testing. The sanitary is not, that is not a deep testing. This is deep testing. Narrow of the regression testing. Narrow of the regression testing. There we need to validate only main functionality. There means in smoke. Coming to the sanitary, we need to validate each and every functionality. There, what is the application before stability? Before stability means we no need to add any new requirement. What is the application stability? Is it clear now? Before stability means we no need to add, the developer they didn't added any new requirement. The time what is the application stability? The sanitary, what is the application after stability? After means they added one new requirement. The time, what is the application stability? Clear? Not clear. I will repeat, no problem. The next one, there, what is the application stable or not? Once here in sanitary, once added new requirement, the application is stable or not. Once added new requirement, after means they added one new requirement. What is the application stability? And the application is stable or not once added new requirement. Is it clear or not? I will repeat one more time, one by one. You guys are listen carefully. Okay. The first step, I will compare smoke and sanitary. Okay. Same question. What is the difference between the smoke and the sanitary? That is the question. That's why I'm explaining clearly differences. The first step in smoke, this is done by dev and testing side both. Coming to the sanitary, only done by testing side. The second step inside of the smoke, what is that one? This is not a deep testing. Coming to the sanitary, this is the deep testing. Some people they call narrow of the regression testing. Coming to the smoke, here we need to validate only main functionality. Coming to the sanitary, here we need to validate every functionality, each and every functionality. And coming to the smoke, what is the application before adding any new requirement? What is the application before stability? Coming to the sanitary, what is the after application stability? The developer added new requirement. What is the application stability? Before the application is stable or not? Before means they did not add any new requirement. After the application is stable or not? This is what we call smoke and sanitary. Anyone, do you have any doubt? Please tell me. I will explain one more time. Stable means, you know what is the stable? Once I launch the application is properly working or not, and it is supported or not. Supported means once I click on element, it is working. Okay, what I am expecting in this application, everything is there and it is working as per our expected. That is we call stable. Sometimes I want to click on the login button. I want to click on the login button. It will be open. It will be closed immediately. That is not a stable. Second time it is open. It should be displayed. Okay. So stable means everything is application is perfect or not. Clear? Any doubt? Online guys and offline guys? Do you have any doubt? Please tell me. I will explain one more time. Clear or not? Shall I move to next step? Yeah. Alpha testing. Alpha testing. The next one, alpha testing. Who will do this type of testing? Beta testing. Who will do this type of testing? Okay, I will explain differences. First of all, alpha testing. Alpha testing is nothing but who are involved in this project, those peoples we call alpha testers. This is done by company level. Alpha testing is nothing but who are involved in this project or application, those peoples we call alpha testers. Before release the application, the alpha testing is completed or not properly. Before release the application, the alpha testing is completed or not properly. Listen, alpha testing is done by company level. Is it clear or not? Alpha testing is nothing but, listen carefully, alpha testing is nothing but who are involved in this project or application, those peoples we call alpha testers. This is done by company level. This is done by company level. Developers, testers, everyone alpha testers. Everyone alpha testers. Okay. Everyone alpha testers. If you want to release the application, the alpha testing is properly working or not. Alpha testing means code plus functionality. Code plus functionality. Is it clear or not? Alpha testing equal to code plus functionality. Alpha testing is equals to code plus functionality. Is it clear or not? Clear or not? I will repeat. Alpha testing is nothing but who will involve in this application or project, those peoples we call alpha testers. First point. Second point, this is done by company level. Next point, alpha testing equals to coding plus functionality. Coding the developers, functionality the testers. Next point, before release the application to customer, alpha testing is working or not properly. Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Yeah. The next one, beta testing. The next one, beta testing. This is first point. This is done by client end. This is done by client end. Next point. Once release the application to customer, once release the first to second, you guys are listen. Okay. First to second, you guys are listen. Third, you guys are write down. Fourth, you guys are write down. First to second, you guys are listen. Okay. Yeah. Beta testing is done by client end. Next point. Once we release the application to customer, once we release the application to customer, the customer will validate the beta testing on this application. I will repeat one more time. Beta testing is done by client end, customer end. Customer Indian people they call. Client and European people they call. Okay. The beta testing is done by client end. First point. Second point. Once we release the application to customer, the customer will apply the beta testing on this application. Next point. Beta testing is nothing but whatever you release, the functionality is properly working or not, the customer will validate. Is it clear? Shall I repeat? The beta testing is nothing but this is done by client end. First step. This is done by client end. Is it clear? Second step. Once we release the application to customer, is it clear? Once we release the application to customer, the customer will apply the beta testing in this application. Is it clear or not? Okay. Third point. Whatever you release, beta testing is nothing but whatever we release, the functionality is properly working or not. Who will do? Customer. Customer will do the beta testing. Yeah. The third party testers. The customer maintain some third party testers. Customer side also some testers is there, quality peoples is there. They will validate that is quality. They will inform to the customer. That is the process. The customer he did not validate, guys. Okay. The customer also maintain some third party testers. Some third party tester. Is it clear of beta and alpha, alpha and beta? Alpha is done by పోయింది. Okay. Alpha is done by company side. Who will comes under alpha testers? Yeah, who will comes under alpha tester? When I ask this question, that time your answer. Who are involved in this application? Those people are comes under alpha tester. That is your answer, not to developer testers. Okay, I said like that, developer and tester. Yeah. That's why I'm telling you guys are follow my instruction. What I was saying, same as it is, you guys are explaining. That is I am expecting. That's why I'm telling 3-4 times. You guys are try to say like me. Is it clear? What is the beta testing? Beta testing is done by? Yeah, who will involve in this beta testing? The customer involved. Third party is a hiding. You people are able to understand. That's why I'm telling. Okay. The beta testing involved customer, not a third party. Don't say like that, please. Don't say like that. You people are able to understand what happened in real time. Okay. Basically, we are able to say like that. In this beta testing, the customer is involved. The customer will do the beta testing. This is quality or not. Whatever you released. Clear? Okay. Don't repeat again. Okay. Yeah. Alpha testing is done by beta testing is done by. Okay. Don't forget, guys. Okay. Um, Important. Any type of testing is important. Okay. I was explained number of times. Number of times. You people are, I am expecting you people are able to understand. Still you guys are unable to understand. Don't worry about that one. I will explain number of time. Please ask me. Is it clear or not? I am able to discuss, guys, any topic number of time. Okay. But you guys are don't neglect and concentrate here, body and mind, both. Okay. 1 hour, 20 minutes. You guys stay here. Anything is miss here, from here, body or mind, you people are unable to understand. If I want to explain number of time, you guys are unable to understand. Is it clear or not? That is important. That is my job, guys. Every day I will text you. Okay, that is my job. Every day I will text you. You guys are able to understand, okay, fine. Unable to understand, I will repeat number of times. That is my job. And every day I will explain. And both is important. If you want to learn a testing tool, must and should both is important. Anything is missed from here, you are unable to understand. That is 100% sure. I think alpha beta I was explained 4 times and fifth time also I was explained. But who will alpha testing is done by you guys are confused. Why you people are confused? I said clearly. I did not say alpha testing is done by the company side. This is one, this who are involved the application, who are involved in this project, those people so we call a alpha. I did not say like that. I said clearly. Alpha testing is done by company side. Who are involved in this project or application, those peoples we call alpha tester. I said like that. Why you people are unable to understand? I mean, what I was discussed in this session, as it is I am expecting. Don't write your own words. Clear? Yeah. The next one, compatibility testing. The next one, compatibility testing. Online guys, you also guys, you are unable to understand. Please text me here. Definitely I will repeat one more time. Okay. Yeah. Compatibility. What is the meaning of the compatibility? In general terminology. Correct. Okay. What is a compatible? Compatible. Anybody? Tell me guys, anybody? Compatible. Not comfortable. Compatible. Comfortable is different. Compatibility is different. Compatible. Correct. For example, listen. My application is ready. Whole application, not a 5 requirements, 10 requirement. 100 requirements is ready. Application is ready. Now ready to release the application to customer. Clear? Step number 1, application is ready. Listen carefully. Application is ready. Step number 2, not 5 or 10 requirements. Whole 100 requirements is ready. Second step. Third step, ready to release the application to customer. Third step, ready to release the application to the customer. Before releasing the application to customer, I need to validate my application is compatible or not in different types of operating systems. Is it clear or not? Before release the application to customer, my application Amazon, listen, my application is Amazon. Just imagine, my application is properly working, is compatible or not, is properly working or is compatible or not in different types of operating system. Windows, Linux, Mac, Unix. I need to validate. For why we need to validate like this? Everyone able to use my application in this world. Everyone able to use my application. US people, maximum people are using Mac. Indian people maximum using Windows. The Chinese maximum they are using Unix. Okay, that's why I need to validate my application is properly working or not in different types of operating system. It is working as per customer expected. Now I need to release. Now I need to release. Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat? Yeah. The first step, once application is ready. Second step, not some requirements like 10 or 15. Whole application. Whole means 100 requirement. Just imagine 100 requirement. Once application is ready, whole application is ready to release the application to customer. We are ready to release the application to customer. Next step, before release the application to customer, we will validate the application in different operating system. In different operating system. Why? Because my application is properly working or not. My application is properly working or not, or my application is compatible or not. I need to validate. That is we call compatibility testing. This is done by non-functional tester, not our end. We are not install the application in Unix. We are not install the application in Mac. They will do non-functional testers. They will do. Is it clear or not? Clear or not? Shall I repeat? Huh? No, yes. No, yes. Okay, some people are saying yes. Yeah. Compatibility is nothing but, listen, once application is ready, whole application, once application is ready, we need to release the application, we need to deliver the application to customer. We are ready to deliver the application to customer. First step, listen, everybody, listen. First step, once application is ready, whole application, in bracket, whole application. First step, once application is ready, in bracket, whole application. Second step, we are ready to release the application to customer. Third step, before release the application to customer, before release the application to customer, my application is properly working or not in different operating systems, or properly working or not in different operating system, or my application is compatible or not in different operating system. You guys are mentioned, my application is properly working or not in different operating system, or ORR, my application is compatible or not in different operating system. Example, Linux, Unix, Mac, Windows. Clear? Now it is clear, everybody? Everybody, my application is properly working or not in different operating system, ORR, my application is compatible or not in different operating system. Okay, in real time, why we need to validate my application in different operating system? They will ask, you are a real-time expert, they will ask definitely. Why we need to do the compatibility testing is mandatory? Definitely it is mandatory. Why? Because my application using different types of people in different locations. For example, Chinese people my application using, those people are not using Windows, those people are not using Mac. Maximum, okay, some people are using Mac and Windows. Maximum people are using Linux or Unix. Okay, that's why I need to validate my application is compatible or not in different operating system. Clear? Any doubt? The next one, usability testing. The next one, usability testing. Usability. Usability. What is that usability? Do you have any idea? Okay. Usability is nothing but user friendly. Usability is nothing but user friendly. How you guys are able to identify this application is user friendly or not? See guys, you guys are observed here. Just I want to log out. Okay. See guys, you guys are observed clearly here. This is the sign in page. This is the sign in page. I need to enter invalid data here. I click on next button. Already is there that like that. Okay. Yeah, we'll create user Mahan. Just I want to click on next button. Okay, see, you guys are observed. How you guys are able to find this is user friendly or not? Usability is nothing but user friendly. Usability is nothing but user friendly. This application user friendly or not, how you guys are able to identify or find out? When you guys are enter any invalid data, the time system will provide some error state. The system will provide error state. The error state, every user able to understand or not. Every user is able to understand, that is user friendly. Some technical terminology is there. Some people are unable to understand, that is not a user friendly. The Gmail is the user friendly. The Gmail is the user friendly. How you guys are able to recognize this is user friendly or not? When you guys are enter any data in your application, the application will provide, the system will provide any data, the data the user able to understand or not. The user able to understand, that is we call user friendly. Clear? Clear or not? Not clear? Shall I repeat? Okay. Usability testing. Usability is nothing but a user friendly. How you guys are able to find, or how you guys are able to recognize this is user friendly or not? If you want to provide any data in your application, the application will provide some information or data. The data you people are able to understand, that is we call user friendly. The data you people are unable to understand, that is not a user friendly. See, could not find your Google account. Everyone able to understand. Google account unable to recognize this data, that is we call could not find your Google account. Everyone able to understand. So this is user friendly. Is it clear or not? Every type of testing I was explained with examples. Up to now, every type of testing I was explained with the example, real-time example. Is it clear? Everybody? Any doubt? Any doubt? Do you have any doubts, guys? Everything is clear up to now? If I want to conduct any assignment tomorrow, up to now you people are able to write? Sound little? Clear? Okay. Guys, and listen, this week, Saturday, okay, only 3-4 days only. Anybody, okay, you people are able to write, I am happy. You people are unable to write, I am also happy. Okay, everything, choice is yours. Okay, that is not affected on me. I will, that is my responsibility. I need to cross check. No one is conduct the assignment. You guys are cross check anywhere. No one is conduct. Just I need to cross check. You people are able to catch that point or not. Just I need to verify. I will conduct the assignment this weekend, Saturday or Friday or Thursday. I don't know when I conduct. And I will provide the papers. You no need to bring the papers. I will provide the papers. And test case only you guys are able to write in your mission. Please bring your mission also. You don't have a mission, you need to write the paper. Okay? Is it clear? Clear everybody? Any doubt? Online and offline? Okay? Yeah, online students, I will provide the questions. Listen, you guys are right on your paper. I am unable to provide the papers. Okay? You guys are able to write on your paper. Okay, that paper you need to take the screenshots. That screenshots sent to my email ID. My email ID I will provide Anil Kumar testing 57 @gmail.com. Okay, this is my mail, Anil Kumar testing 57 @gmail.com. Don't forget. Okay, and when I conduct the assignment, that time you guys are shared the documents to my email ID. Any doubts, guys? Do you have any doubts? Thank you, online guys and offline guys. I will continue tomorrow. Bye. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, please reach me. I will explain. Any doubt related testing. Yeah, Anna. Behara, what is your doubt? Behara. Yeah. What is your doubt? Please text me here, or else I will unmute your mics. Okay, you guys speak out. Please raise your hand. I will provide access. You guys speak out. Okay, guys. Offline guys, do you have any doubts? Please stay here. If you don't have a doubt, you guys are enjoying. Any doubt, online guys? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Saturday videos chera. First concepts SDLs. నేను చెప్తాను సాటర్డే చెప్తాను కింద అడ్మిన్ అవన్నీ నోట్స్ నోట్స్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టెస్టింగ్ అయిపోయినా షేర్ చేస్తాను ఓకే సార్ सर आपने दिया था ना एसबीआई का जो टेस्टिंग का एसबीआई का जो टेस्टिंग दिया था होमवर्क क्या कंप्लीट है नॉट कंप्लीट आप थोड़ा उसको थोड़ा डिस्कशन you are unable to understand that one yeah definitely I've sorted I will explain okay to me also one request చెప్తాను
Sir, right now I don't have a laptop, so you can explain me again test tickets also.
Yeah, I will provide the link. You guys are
Yes, sir, I know, but I'm unable to understand in the small display. That's one.
actually what I was discussing offline, same thing is there in online videos also. I was explained number of times. You can verify still you are confused. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
నేను నోట్ చెప్తున్నాను సార్ అంటే 2 times అరౌండ్ సార్ కొద్దిగా స్లోగా
Notes up. Notes up.
నేను రాసుకుంటాను అంటే ఆ టైంలో
నేను చెప్పేసి లో ఎవరు చెప్పరు అసలు వాడికి గ్యాప్ తీసుకొని చెప్తాను
నేను రాసుకుంటాను సార్
4 సార్లు చెప్తాను 4 సార్లు ఏదో ఒకసారి రాస్తాను
3 times explain చేయాలి లాస్ట్
నాలుగోసారి రాస్తాను అంటే పదాలు అటు ఇటు ఉండొచ్చు
అదే సార్ నేను చెప్పేది దాని గురించి
మన కాన్సెప్ట్ మాత్రం క్లియర్ అవుతుంది
So you want provide a note, sir?
I will provide the notes. Every day I provide it. Already yesterday what I lost, I will upload it everything. Okay? And I think you didn't get the link.
Yeah, that's what I'm
మీకు ఇచ్చిన లింక్ ఏం చెప్తారని నాకు చెప్పి
test case,
అంటే మీరు అప్లోడ్ చేశారు కదా సార్ గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో. సో దాంట్లో ఒకటి అప్లోడ్ చేశారు. మీరు మాకు చెప్పింది ఒక క్లియర్ గా
మొత్తం ఉంటది
jumbling అవుతుంది.
మీరు అప్లోడ్ చేసిన ఎక్స్ట్రా కూడా ఉన్నాయి సార్.
పర్లేదు కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లియర్ గా ఉండాలి కావాలంటే అది డిలీట్ చేసి అది అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను
అంటే ఇక్కడ చేసేసరికి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చేసేసరికి డిఫరెంట్ కనబడుతుంది.
సరే అదే డిలీట్ చేసి
అది ఉంచండి సార్.
యాక్చువల్
వాళ్ళు వేరే వాళ్ళు డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతారు కదా. సో అట్లా కాకుండా అది ఉంచండి.
అది ఉంచండి సార్. కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసి
అన్ని ఆడ పెడతాము ఒకటి చాలు దాంట్లో 33 పేజెస్ ఉంది 33 షీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
33 షీట్స్ అట్లా ఉంటాయి సార్.
ఆ షీట్స్ లో మీకు ఇష్టం వచ్చింది చూస్ చేసుకోండి. మల్టిపుల్ ఉన్నాయి.
అదే సార్
మీకు
మల్టిపుల్
అది పెట్టడమే ఇంకా బెస్ట్. ఎందుకంటే మీకు కంఫర్ట్ ఏదైతే అది చూసుకుంటూ రాస్తుంది. అంతేగాని ఒకటే పెట్టారు అనుకో దాని మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యింది. 33 పేజెస్ లో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ గా అది చూసుకొని రాసుకో ఇలా కూడా ఐడియా ఓకేనా
సార్. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే రిగ్రెషన్ టెస్టింగ్ ఉంది కదా. రిగ్రెషన్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే మామూలుగా రీటెస్టింగ్. సో మనకి బిల్డ్ ఫెయిల్ అయినప్పుడు మన డెవలపర్ పంపిస్తాం. మళ్ళీ మనకి కొత్త బిల్డ్ అనేది ఇస్తాడు. అది దాని బిల్డ్ డిఫెక్ట్ ఫిక్స్ చేసి ఇస్తాడు. ఇక్కడ వరకు రీటెస్టింగ్ మన రిగ్రెషన్ అండ్ ఎడిషనల్ ఒకటి ఉంది కదా సార్. అంటే
అడిషనల్ మీన్స్
ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ రిగ్రెషన్ అదే అంటే ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ అంటే దాంతో పాటు ఏం చెక్ చేస్తారు.
ఎందుకంటే డెవలపర్ మొబైల్ ఫిక్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమైనా డిస్టర్బ్ అయినాయి కోడ్ రాసేటప్పుడు చెక్ చేయండి.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం చెప్తారు సార్? రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్
ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ డిస్టర్బ్
మొబైల్ తో పాటు మొబైల్ పక్కన సెల్స్
లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ మొత్తం
అందుకే
పక్కన
ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్
norm of the regression test. Okay. Guys, any doubt? You have any doubt? Please get thanks. If you have any doubt, please. Okay, online guys. Bye.